opportunity to be here at this 2025 edition of the Salone Civic Festival. And I'm here to interact with you on national issues.
Today we are showcasing our commitment to accountability, our commitment to freedom to information. I mean, open government partnership with everybody. That is why you see around, you see the private sector, you see the CSO, you see the media, you see government agency, all exhibiting what governance is.
Feed Salone. Now the one thing and the way they lift all boats in agriculture succeed in this country, because if you go to Nigerian village there now, 90, 60, 80% of people in a farm would do. A farm business, if agriculture grow, now all man are like way boats than in our then the water begin kind side. All boats the right, they left all man.
Welcome to the CIVIC Festival 2025.
Let me dance and we sing. CIVIC Festival.
We are gathered here today in a space that bears a familiar name but with a new purpose. We are here at the newly designed Miata Civic Center, formerly known as the Miata Conference Center. From this day forward, this building will be the home of a new civic culture in Sierra Leone. My government is transforming this space into a national hub for civic engagement, creativity, and digital innovation. The Miata Civic Center will be a place where citizens speak truth to power, where artists create the future, where innovators experiment, and where government connects directly with people.
I feel good because we just want let we get still now. Go the reality. Then fake here in the point we at in the discouraging. But then see how they know put in the president, they make us feel good. And now we dey feed the country. If we don't feed them, they know they eat. We don't go hospital. Doctor they actually say you don't eat. Now we dey make anybody get health. If we not do farm, better health so they in the country.
Well, we feel great, we feel very happy, excited for the part of this. As it happened last year when I be the maiden edition of the Salone Civic Festival. This year now the second one they don't host them. And we, as well as other ministries, them, departments and agencies, them, we now the Ministry of Trade and Agriculture, we're very happy for that because now an opportunity for we for showcase to the public what we don't do and also for interact with people with the cannabis books. These are one of the biggest platforms, the biggest public platform where the government provide for the citizens and come for our discussions, for them they can see tangible through video and waiting people in the exhibitor as well.
Well, it feels good to be part of this because I mean it's a time to showcase what we have, the minerals we have, and how we can create awareness to the general public. So I think it's very insightful. I'm happy I'm part of it. So most of these rocks are common rocks you see around. Like sometimes in like for example this Gabro. It's found in the Freetown complex. Maybe you go to the beach and then you see it. So we are creating awareness that most of these rocks are important. So basically, since we have been here today, we have been creating awareness to people. So people come and they see bauxite, say, oh, I have this in my village, I have this and this. So it creates awareness. Basically, that's all we are here to do.
It's Sierra Leone, and to us we say Salon Big Pass on. The time for rumor mongering is over. Our commitment is that you get cogent, reliable information on time. So you have the opportunity to walk into any booth, ask the relevant question, not to time this for guess. Come ask government what they don't do for 1 year. So that you understand and we all understand government operation together.
As a comlink that do involve into producing our local produce from the local raw material, I think it is very much good and very much like important for us to be part of such events to showcase what we are doing for the people of Sierra Leone and also for other people that are in the country. The government is doing great through the Ministry of Trade and Industry because they are our parents, ministry. For anything that we are doing, we do normally reach out to them. So it's a good one. We are wholly hoping that the government will continue to support us as a company in making sure that we expand more, because that is our aim, to expand more and also to create more job opportunity for the Sierra Leoneans out there.
the Ministry of Sport is part of the Civic Festival in order for we able for actually showcase what sports can do. You know, sports nowadays is different. It's not like before. Now, sport is a multi-billionaire business in the world.
Academy, A-C-A-D-E-M-Y, Academy, Now, let us boost our school to the sky. Academy, Academy, Now, let us sing the song we love so well. Oh, sing for Academy tonight. This year we become
this continent that we all have, east to west, north to south, like the same land. Now, listen well, this poem na message na civic bell. Let we love, let we heal, let we clean, let we feed, let we digital, let we lead. From the views and interviews, let we remember the unity call, because Salome must be all.